Hi guys, in this video we will discuss how to use ellipse tools in Creo. Watch the previous videos how to reach there in sketch module. So let's begin. Ellipse tool is available in sketch tab, sketching panel and ellipse. Well, there are two methods of drawing an ellipse. First one is axis and ellipse and the second is center and axis ellipse. So let's begin with the first method, that is axis and ellipse. Define the major axis, that is maximum dimension in horizontal, by selecting its two endpoints. Now move in transverse to major axis and select a point to define minor axis. Now press left mouse button to end the command. So this is ellipse. Now specify major axis dimension of 20 and minor axis of 10 units. That was first method of drawing an ellipse, that is axis and ellipse, having dimension of major and minor axis and center of an ellipse as well. Now let's move towards second method, that is center and axis ellipse. Select the center point of an ellipse. Now move the cursor away in horizontal and select a point to define major axis. Now move in transverse direction and select a point to define minor axis. So this is ellipse. Specify the dimensions of major axis of 20 and minor axis of 10 units. That was second method of drawing an ellipse, that is center and axis ellipse. Specified by center of an ellipse and dimensions of major and minor axis. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.